Hey guys! Welcome to this video. It's me, Pretzl Cosplay. And as you can see, I'm already into full cosplay makeup, with wig and all. And there's a good reason for that. Because this video is sponsored by Gamigo, the creator of the games ArcheAge and ArcheAge Unchained, which is a massive multiplayer online RPG, which means that you can build your own character in the game and then venture into the world of ArcheAge and have all kinds of cool adventures. And Gamigo asked me to create my own character in the game ArcheAge Unchained and then use that character as an inspiration for a cosplay makeup look and then film a tutorial video for you guys based on this look. So that's what we're going to do today. And if you also create a character in the game, then you can win some really awesome prizes. And there's even a second round in the contest where you can win even bigger prizes. If you want to know how you can win those prizes, then you will have to watch the rest of the video as well. So, if you're already excited about this video, then give this video already a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to my channel. And let's go into the character builder of ArcheAge Unchained to create my character. Hey! I'm still here, just small and little in the corner. So let's create our character. Look at me, being awesome! Yes! There's a quest. Okay, let's check out this quest. Leave me alone! So here I am, barefaced, ready to transform into my ArcheAge character. Let's start to prime the eyes. And the eyeshadow look is a little bit grey, smoky and a little bit of purple. And I have a perfect palette for that. It's this palette, Sorceress, and it has some colors that are going to be perfect for this look. Let's start with the transition color, brown, light brown. We can add some darker shades, so I will just use this one here. I see it's not so dark yet, we need it darker. It's really nice and dark. So now it's darker. Yeah. Yeah. There's also a little bit of purple going on. This purple. With the bigger brush, we can blend that out a little bit. And we need a little bit of shimmer on the eyelid, because she also has that. And I want to use this white shimmer for that. I'm gonna apply it with my finger, because that gives a really nice pigmentation. And I also want to do a little bit of purple shimmer. My character has some pretty dark eyeliner going on, a little bit smoky eyeliner. The eyebrows are green, but I'm first going to add a little bit of brown onto the eyes, and then I will add some green eyeshadow over it to make the eyebrows green. And now I can add some color to them, and I'm going to go with this color green. Just adding some eyeshadow to the eyebrow. Yeah, those are some green brows. Should I just wear it every day like this? Okay, so now it's time to add some lashes. Before I'm adding the fake lashes, which will be these, I will first apply some mascara to color my own lashes. So the eye is now almost finished. We only need to add a little bit of light on the bottom waterline with this pencil. This is one of the eyes finished. I will do the other eye off camera. Now both eyes are ready, and now it's time to move on to the face makeup, for which I'm going to use a foundation, and I will apply it with a sponge. I'm really curious to see what characters you will create in the game. Really curious to know which character will be the base for my second makeup look. So please bear with me and don't make it too difficult, okay? Sponge, dab it. I need a little bit of powder on it. I like this powder, it's very light, it's from NYX. And just dabbing it on. Also, do you play any RPGs? Because ArcheAge, of course, is an RPG. I really love fantasy games, so for me it was really cool that they asked me to make a video for them. Next step is a little bit of contouring. I have this contouring palette. I'm going to go in with this color right here. And now it's time for the face paint. This is difficult. Okay, I think it's quite nice, yeah. And now the thing under the eyes. Now we're just missing the lip color, so I'm just using a little bit of a skin tone lipstick. So I'm going to use the same color that I used for my brows. Just applying that on a brush and then tapping it on the lips. So now we get green lips. And now only the little dots on the chin are left. Let's paint them. And now we just need to put on the wig. And for the wig, I need a wig cap. So let's get the wig. This is the wig. She's so gorgeous. Look, she also has horns. I will just... Right, so... ears! And I have these really beautiful latex ears from Grimas. So this is the finished look, and I'm really happy with the result. And I really can't wait to see what cool and beautiful and awesome characters you will create in the game ArcheAge or ArcheAge Unchained. And don't forget that you can download it via the link in my description, and you can actually try it out for free. And if you like the game, you can buy it. So please read their terms and stuff, so you won't get charged if you don't like the game in the end. But if you like it, then of course you can get it, so you can play it as long as you want. If you make a character in the game, then take a screenshot of it and post it on your social media. And then if you use the hashtag, then we can find it. And you can also go to the web page that's about the contest, that will tell you a little bit more about the rules and everything, and about the prizes that you can win. That's also linked in the description. And then you will also know how you can enter. Then some winners will be chosen for the best characters that are created, and those will receive really awesome hardware prizes like a keyboard and mouse and headset for gaming. And after that, even cooler, I will pick one of those characters and I will make a makeup look like what I did now from that character. And then, if you guys recreate that makeup look and share it on social media and use the hashtag and tag me so you can see it, then there will be some really awesome prizes to win. And more about the contest, of course, you can find in the links below. And yeah, I can already say that the big prize is 1,000 euros. So if you make a really awesome makeup look based on the second character, then you can win some really big prizes. And the second video will be next week. So then you can see which look you will have to recreate. And you can send in your characters for the first round until the 3rd of January. If you just do it right now, then you're in time, and it's all good. And of course, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, so you will never miss a video. And of course, then you will also not miss the next week video of the new makeup look. And thank you so much, Gamigo, for sponsoring this video and also the next video. Because that really helps the channel, and that really helps Pretzl Cosplay. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!